my channel. Today I will be showing you how I prep my hair before I straighten it. I'm going to show you everything I use, and I'm going to come back after every step to show you how my hair looks, because a lot of this will take place in the shower, but I will, show you as I go. So first, I like to detox my hair and make sure that I can fully see my curls before I straighten them, just to notice if there's any heat damage or not. I always take a picture with my curls, and then again, when I revert back, just to see if there has been any changes and how to go from there. So first I detox using the Aztec Indian Healing Clay. I already have my mixture, and I already have a video up on how I apply it to my hair, so there's no need to show how I apply it. It's the same as that video, but I will show the results when I'm done. Afterwards, I like to shampoo twice, and I like to use, one shampoo that's like a normal shampoo that I use, but then I have a shampoo from the Shea line that I like to use just because it's supposed to help keep my hair straight and frizz-free and all that stuff. So the first shampoo I'll go with is the Shea Moisture Jbco Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. I like to use the Strengthen and Restore line before straightening, because it helps with like a little bit of protein, and it helps to retain moisture and all that stuff. So it is a strengthening and moisturizing shampoo, so I like to use that. And then I go in with the Chi Infra shampoo. This is like a moisture therapy shampoo, but it also helps your hair stay straight and stuff like that, so I like to use this as well. Next, I will deep condition. I will mix this Chi treatment with the other deep conditioner, because I only have like this much left, so it's not enough to do my whole head, but I'll mix the two together. And like I said, I like to use the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore line, so I use the deep conditioner to deep condition my hair, and then I will let that sit for like a half an hour underneath heat. After that, I will blow dry my hair, and I will be trying out the Shea Moisture Sugarcane Extract and Metal Foam C Silicone Free Miracle Styler Leave-In Treatment. This is what I really got for my heat protectant. So I'm gonna use this to blow dry my hair. I will also be using the Silk Infusion to like put on my hair before I blow dry it. And I also have the Tresemme heat protectant, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna be using it because I don't want to use too much product. And then that's basically it. I'll blow dry my hair, and then I'll go right in with the flat iron, and I'll add more the serum stuff. But yeah, so when we get started, it's gonna be a long day. Okay, so the Aztec is all on my hair, all on my shirt. Normally I would let it like completely dry, but because I know this is gonna take all day, I'm just gonna go wash out now, shampoo twice, and I'll come back. We'll see what my hair is looking like. I'm not gonna come back after the detox, because as you know, it will look like this, basically nice and defined, but like not with this color on it. It'll just be wet and like my natural hair color. So I'm gonna go do all that, and then I'll be back. Alright, so I shampooed twice. My hair is feeling a bit dry, but I went in with the Chi one first. I knew it would dry my hair out, and then I went with the Shea Moisture, and my hair is not as dry as it could have been, so went for me. But yeah, this is what my curls is looking like. But now I definitely need to deep condition, so I will be going in with the Shea Moisture one that I showed you guys earlier. And yeah, so I'll probably come back when I'm done with that. Stay tuned. Alright, so the deep conditioner is applied to my hair. I actually ran out of the Shea Moisture one. I had to use my TGIM Miracle Repair Deep Hydration Hair Mask. It doesn't really have protein in it, but nothing else I have to do, so it's only on this one front section, so we should be fine. So yeah, I'm gonna set it in my dryer, rinse it out, and then most likely come back with my blow dried results, or show you guys a little bit. I'm not sure yet. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm done deep conditioning my hair. I think I'm gonna call it in for this video. My hair is nice and soft and fluffy and moisturized. There's some construction going on, so I can't really talk, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how I prep my hair before I heat style and stuff. So yeah, if you did, then like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.